Hello guys, the today's topic is WebDriver methods. Forget about methods, you know very well about methods, but what is WebDriver, sir? As I told you, WebDriver is the interface. WebDriver is interface in Selenium. You know very well. It contains how many abstract methods? 13 abstract methods. So that abstract methods, what are the 13 abstract methods that we need to discuss here? So boss, the method number 1 is called as get method. Okay, sir, what is the purpose of get method here? It is used to load the application. It is used to load the application. Okay, now see, I will write the code, then you will understand. For example, I am taking one class name is get only. Class is there means main method is mandatory. Okay, and finally I am writing the casting statement here. WebDriver driver is equal to new edge driver. Okay, and what is the reference variable here? D. So d.get, and inside the get method you can give the URL. It will open that particular application. So I am writing here https://www.google.com. Okay, so this get method will beautifully open the web page of the Google. Are you understanding? It means what it is doing, it is simply loading the application in the browser. It is used to load the application in browser. We can write aram se. Done. And there is alternative method for the get method. Either you can use this get method or you can use the navigate method. Okay, both are used to load the application only. But I have one doubt, sir. What is the difference between get and navigate method here? You are telling that get also like responsible to load the application in the browser, even navigate also responsible. So what is the difference in between them? So that we will discuss now. Observe here. Okay, observe carefully. Difference between get and navigate method. Okay, so this is get method and this is navigate method. Okay, so the first point is it is used to open or load the application. Even navigate also doing the same work, but listen, it is used to open or load the application. Listen carefully. Here I am writing one more sentence. In addition to this, it will go forward, backward, and refresh the page. Are you understanding? Yes. Okay, see what the get is doing. Get is simply loading the application. Okay, it is responsible to load the application only, but navigate method, observe carefully, it is loading the application as usual as your get method, but in addition to that, what it is doing forward operation, even backward operation, even refresh the page. Are you understanding? So this is the difference between get and navigate method.